Hey guys, it's Alana, back at it again with another YouTube video, and today I am with... Yesterday was his birthday, it was September 11th, so we just did like a little thing with my roommates and him, and today I just have a little like birthday surprise, so I'm taking him downtown. He still doesn't know what the surprise is, right?
No, I have no clue.
So we're just gonna go downtown now. We're gonna go eat at the Cactus Club for lunch. I was gonna say brunch, but it's not brunch. And okay, so my outfit of the day is this shirt from Zara, just a plain little crop top, these mom jeans that are also from Zara that I got at Winners though, and then these like clear heels I got from Aldo. Cute, cute. I think I'm gonna get the spicy chicken sandwich and you're gonna get the Cajun chicken sandwich. Yeah, so hopefully that'll be good. And I think I'm gonna get a frosé. Look how good this looks. Watch the pigeons!
Yeah, well, they're in my...
We're going right now to go see the airport where we're gonna be, and I will show you guys his response and his reaction to driving towards an airport.
How far do I go?
You just go all the way forward, I guess. We just went to get our ticket to go on this little ferry to like take us across the little river to take us to the airport, which is right there, but this guy kind of said what we were doing because he gave two options. He's like, which one are you here for? So I kind of said what we're doing. Okay, we just got here to the Toronto Heli Tours. But are you excited?
I'm so excited. Never been on a helicopter.
Yeah. So this is exciting. So I guess we'll see you guys up in the air.
Good job.
Okay, so right now we just checked in, we watched our little orientation video, and now we're waiting to get on the actual helicopters. They're right out there. Focus. Hey, oh, there. We are back from the helicopter tour. You can literally hear all of them. Oh, there's a bee inside! Oh, no!
Where is it?
It's gone. But we're back. We just finished the helicopter ride.
I love it.
Rating 10 out of 10?
16 out of 10.
10, 16 out of 10. Now we're going back on our little ferry. we're gonna go back to Toronto, just chill a little bit, and then go home. So yeah, it's really fun. We got to see Toronto, we got to go around. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
All that
good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video.